Hello, namaskar. Come, let me see how you're looking now. Okay. Wow, the lip looks good, but there's still some swelling inside.
Right cheek.
Right cheek also. Show me your tongue. Okay. Okay, keep your tongue inside. Okay, so basically you want me to take care of this part now, inside. Okay. Open. So he had a very large hemangioma. He comes from the neighboring country of Bangladesh. So these are the scars that have come because of the surgery I did that was 1 year ago now, or 9 months, 8 months?
8 months.
8 months back we did. So it's reduced a lot. It's improved. We're going to show you his earlier picture. And now we're going to do some more revision. Basically going to take off this lesion here on the lip, and that's extending into the cheek all the way up to the angle. So this is the area that he doesn't want to look like this. He wants the hemangioma to go from there. We're going to work on that a little bit here and a little bit here. Okay. சரி அப்போ இவங்களை எல்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணி வை, ரிஜோட்ட பேச வை. ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க எனக்கிட்ட, நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லியிருந்தேன் உங்கள்கிட்ட ரிஜோட்ட பேச சொல்கிறேன் எனக்கு. All right, so we'll try and do in the afternoon for you, after lunch, but you don't eat anything, and a little bit here and full in the cheek.
Sir, main problem is right cheek. So
Okay.
Always swelling, sir.
Okay, we will try and do maximum there. That also.
So this side, sir, some swelling, sir.
I'll correct that also.
And right cheek, sir, main problem.
Main problem right cheek. We'll do that. Done.
Sir, equal who got? Whole lip.
90%, 95%.
And sir,
Full equal. Hello. தெரியும், நான் இவன் அனுப்பி விடுறேன் மேலே.
tongue with.
Tongue you want?
Front, sir, front side. Front side, sir, dark spot.
You want me to do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done. Tongue will
Is any problem, sir, tongue?
No problem. I can do.
Okay, sir.
তুমি কিন্তু কিছুদিন যে কথাটা বাদ ছিল, সেটা আবার এখন করলে আবার কথা বাড়বে কিনা সেটা তার সাথে তুমি শেয়ার করো।
So is anything problem to talk like after surgery?
No, just for a few days.
Few days.
No problem. Okay? Right. So மேலே இவங்களை ரெடி பண்ணி